Right, we're doing the C189 for a little spin. Wind's died down a little bit now. It's been a nice day, but the wind's been a bit too. This is in speed 1, in case anyone's wondering. Trying to fight me again, guys, right? See that? Gone into attack mode on me. Can't get over how quick these are in speed 1 with this, because there's no expo on it, so you get the full shots on them. Don't get any dulling down or anything. Sorry, keeping it low, guys, because the wind's blowing. She is drifting now. This is the non-optical flow version as well. I find she flies better than the one with optical flow, if I'm being honest. Super responsive. And on the TX16S, well, yeah. Best handset I've ever had. Or transmitter today. Right guys, that was a C189 little bird. I've had a rubbish day today guys. My Airwolf wants more parts than I thought. It's my baby that, so it's not me for 6 to be fair. So I thought I'd just better come out and have a little fly, cheer myself up. And we brought this little baby out. So you've got Menacam doing the filming and the little C189 little bird, and just yeah, I think personally I'm going to stick to the smaller RC era, the 100, 150 size, 250 size, because that's £1,000 worth of heli, and it just did its own thing. And to watch that go down, you can handle these a few quid. You're talking another 180 quid in parts. You know, it all mounts up. DJRC will know where I'm coming from, bless him. So yeah, that was down to a servo, boom, and it's not wrecked, but it's not far off, just gets you there. So yeah, so I think these are the way to go, the 250 class. Have a fantastic evening. I'm going to shut up waffling. Like, subscribe, hit the notification button. Men is now going to go in and make me some lovely sourdough rolls. Have a great night, guys. Love you to bits. Take care.